Well, a true honour today to have one of our great Australians who's held the highest office in this nation, the Governor-General, a former Governor-General, General Jeffery. Absolutely proud to have you here today and to present me with the Restore the Soil paper. An absolute passionate advocate for agriculture. Thank you for putting this together, and could you just tell us a little bit about what you've done for us?
Well, thank you very much, Minister. I guess what I've been trying to get across to many thousands of farmers and ministers and parliamentarians and the public is the critical importance of restoring the health of our soil. 97% of our food, our clean water, our fibre and a lot of our minerals all come from that soil. And it's particularly important that we look after the top 30 centimetres, because there's about 7 billion bugs in a handful of that soil. If we keep those 7 billion bugs happy, we're right. If we keep them unhappy, we're in trouble. And I think what my report does is really emphasise some methodologies and principles to keep those bugs happy so that we get a sustainable, healthy soil and therefore a sustainable agricultural industry.
Well, thank you, General Jeffrey. We should be so proud to have such an eminent Australia fighting for Australian agriculture. Thank you so much.
My pleasure. Thanks.